Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to activate vehicle motion cues on your iPad. Okay, simply open your settings application, then select accessibility from the left side, then select motion. Then you can see option of show vehicle motion cues. And what is the use of that? If you turn on this feature, doors appear near the edges of the iPad screen. They follow the movement of your vehicles and may help reduce motion sickness. Okay, and you can simply click here to turn on this feature. Then you can see here there is so much points around the edges of the screen. Okay, so that's guys. And also you can see other option is here. You can turn them on and off in control center. Okay, whenever you activate this feature at once, then you can available this feature on your control center. I show you that. You can see here. So you can simply turn off that from the control center. If you turn on this one, you can simply turn off from that, and also you can turn on from that. If you once enable this feature, control center automatically add that feature on your control panel. Okay, so that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.